Richard Wong, Chairman and Founder of Mystic Malaysia. We have an annual event where over 300 CEOs get together, and we have Frank Furness to speak to us on two topics. In the morning, walking with the tigers. Wow! The CEOs was wowed by him, by the experiences he shared with the different tigers he encountered throughout his journey. In the second session in the afternoon, some of the members told me, wow, Frank, make it so easy to go to social media. Why didn't they think of it? And particularly on the YouTube, they never thought, they've been watching YouTube, but they never thought they can make use of YouTube to be embedded in the website to promote themselves. And I have very good words about him. And if anybody looking for a speaker, a keynote speaker on Walking with the Tigers, or how do you reach more customers with the social media tools, Frank is the man. Thank you.